Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you to today's session of computers. And today we will be dealing with uses of computers. Right? You all know computer is a very useful machine. Right? But what are its actual uses? Right? Where all it is used? Let us have a quick insight to this. Now, see, here is an elephant talking to a boy. Friends, you have learned a lot about computers. Now, Gilbert will tell us about the different areas where computers are used. Now, see, there is a list here which tells us the various avenues where computers are being used: schools, home, railways, stations and airport, shops and markets, offices, hospitals, banks, in publishing, designing, and space research. Okay, now introduction. Computers are very useful to in our daily day-to-day life. They are used at many places. Computer make work easier and faster. Right? We can do work very fast. Now in school, it is used to prepare report card and to keep records of students. It is used in library. It is used by teachers to explain our lesson in an interesting way. Right? We come to learn thing in a very interesting way. Entertainment. It can be used to play music and watch movies. It can do many calculations. It helps your parents to purchase many things from house. Right? We do online shopping, right? Grofer and all that. We all know. We do many calculations into computers. It can be used to play music. We listen songs and other things. Right? Now, in railway stations and airport, computer is being used. It helps in booking air tickets and railway tickets. It gives information about the arrival and departure train timings. Right? We see when the train is coming, so accordingly we reach the station. Now in shops and markets, these computers are used. It gives us information about all the items which are available in the shop, and also in printing out the bill. Nowadays, whenever you purchase anything, a bill is given, which is written with the help of computer. It is printed rather with the help of offices. It is used to type and print documents, sending emails in hospitals. It keeps the records of patients. It helps doctors in performing operations. In banks, it helps us to withdraw money from the ATM. Now, see, this is something which we very commonly use. Now, ATM itself has a computer, inbuilt computer is there, right? And from that that we use to bring out money. Now, in publishing, it also helps in printing books, newspapers, and other device. Oh my God, we use computer everywhere. Gilbert, can I ask the computer to get me bananas? Right now, in designing, computers are used for designing buildings, houses, car, bikes, and aeroplanes. Right, the structure of the shape of it can be changed with the help of a computer. Now, in space research, we all have seen that movie Mangalyaan, in which there were lots of computers with which the scientists were sending messages. The computer helps scientists to do research work. It helps in launching and controlling satellites. Such is the power of computer that it can help in launching and controlling the satellites which is there up in space. Now let us see what are the advantages and disadvantages of computer. Computer works fast and saves time. Yes, a computer is a time saving machine. It saves a lot of time as it does work very fast. Disadvantages. Now, firstly, we'll read all the advantages. Second, it can store a large amount of data. Lots of information can be stored into it. It is useful in teaching and learning. Computers are very useful in teaching and learning. Right now, these online classes which are going on are all being conducted with the help of mobiles and computers. Right, mobile is also a kind of computer now. Right, computer helps us to communicate online and send emails. Yeah, hello parent app, whatever matter you are receiving all that through the hello parent app, which works on the e principle of email. It can do difficult calculations in seconds with accurate answer. Right, it it can give lots of accurate answer, it can do lots of calculations. Now what are the disadvantage of computer? Let us see. Working too much on computer can cause health problem. Yes, it can cause serious eyesight defects. आंखें खराब हो सकती हैं, कमज़ोर पड़ सकती हैं बच्चों की. Then brain पे असर होता है इसका, because you are focused all the time on a screen. Data stored on a computer can be used by unknown people. This is happening, this is hacking. Actually, it's a crime, there is a punishment for it. You cannot share in data or information. And then virus, there are viruses which can damage these data. Computer viruses are there which can damage these data. So I stop here. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.